Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this card using the Forever and Always bundle. So here's the Forever and Always bundle. There are these lovely words that you can cut out, or you can layer the words with these dies as well. There's flowers and leaves that you can cut out with dies as well, and the words too. And then there's these flowers you can cut out too. And then there's this gorgeous paper that is part of this suite as well. And I love this paper. It's black and white, so you can color it with blends. And it's got these lovely designs on the back side as well, so that you can use it in your cards. I'm using this polka dot one in the previous video that you can look at. And then for this card, I used this piece right here, and I cut out all the flowers from this one right here, and cut out this flower right here. And I'm just going to leave it black and white because it looks so pretty black and white, but you could color it with blends if you wanted to. I'm using Rococo Rose. Rococo Rose goes with the suite, and I've already embossed this with the Dainty Diamonds embossing folder. So let me hold that up so you can see that it's embossed. I'm just going to layer that on some basic black. And then this is the Stitched So Sweetly dies. I'm going to pop these up on dimensionals. And then the Always, I've ran through with our adhesive sheets to make it easier to just layer it. So I can just peel off the backing. And then I can just layer it right on here. Makes it super easy. Don't have to deal with any liquid glue. Super easy and fast. So use your adhesive sheets. Makes it that fast. So now we can just layer this piece of black. This is the largest rectangle in the Stitched So Sweetly dies, scalloped rectangle. And then this is the largest grouping of flowers in the True Love Designer Series paper, the grouping of 3 flowers. And let's face it this way with the bud on the top. And then we're going to put some dimensionals on here. We'll do one over here. And we'll do one right there. And we'll do some mini dimensionals on here. Did we do a mini dimensional? Maybe like a mini dimensional there to kind of hold it. And this would be a lovely card for a loved one. Always together. Just place that right there, and there's our card. Really simple to put together. Really simple cards. This suite really allows for beautiful, simple cards. This is the Love You Always suite, found on page 10 of the mini catalog, and it includes 2 bundles. I'm focusing on the Forever and Always bundle, but it has all these other lovely elements as part of the suite. Here's the True Love Designer Series paper. And then if you turn the page, it has more samples and a larger view of the bundle. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know when I post new videos. And I will see you next time. Bye.